Worse than a truck.
Just let him go! So we headed off the Tibetan Plateau finally. Riding up there, it's really high. There's not enough oxygen, so it's not that much fun because when you're going uphill, it's like.
Yeah, even though the climbs aren't steep at all, it feels really steep because you have to breathe so hard to get up it.
Yeah, there's just not enough oxygen. It's just not comfortable being up there.
And we didn't have great weather most of the time either. Like I said before, it was really only sunny for about 2 hours every day. And the rest of the time it was cloudy or raining. And it rained every single day.
Every single day up there it was pouring rain.
Yeah, and it was cold. So we were pretty happy to finally get to descend off the plateau.
Yeah. And the descent off the plateau, we headed into the desert. And we thought it would be dry, but it really wasn't.
Yeah, we thought we were heading into desert.
Yeah, we headed down and it continued to rain every day. Mm-hmm. So yeah, the desert rains as well.
Apparently.
It was warmer.
Yeah, it was warmer, but it was still rainy, unfortunately. We were really looking forward to some sunshine. I love it when they stop all the big trucks. It's just so satisfying not to have them on the road. So much quieter. Shanghai, YAKS. Mama. Oh, they're so cute. Ni hao. We've passed many of those yak shit piles so far. It's the main source of fuel up here. Lots of people burn dried yak shit for warmth and fire to cook on. Worse than a truck. traffic jam.
Hello, yeah.
Yuck, yuck, yuck.
I guess I can't go.
Not so much.
Hello, yeah.
We descended into Lanzhou, the town, and I decided that we should probably ride by it and try and find somewhere to camp or somewhere out of town that would take us, because the people and the government are just not being very nice. You go to a hotel and they say, no, we don't take foreigners, or they say, yeah, we have a room, and they show you the room and they give you the price, and then they start thinking, oh wait, you're not Chinese? Do you have a Chinese ID? I don't freaking look Chinese. So we spent 2.5 hours one day trying to find a hotel before we got ripped off at a place. Yeah, so
yeah, and this
hotels are not a good thing to do past the middle of Sichuan. After that, China just doesn't want you there.
Yeah, this would basically become our normal in Gansu. Once we entered Gansu province, it became really, really hard to find a hotel.
We left that town, thankfully, and headed up the mountain the next day. And yeah, the climb was long and hard, but we got to the top and the views were spectacular. Looking off to the side, we saw nice rice terraces everywhere.
Yeah, we were riding up along this ridge and we could see off of both sides of it, which was really cool. And the mountains on both sides had just been completely like carved out and terraced. And it was just really, really amazing. Like that just everywhere, just terraced mountainsides. It was super cool.
Then we descended down from it and saw these really awesome Muslim temples.
Yeah.
My favorite one was the green onions.
Yeah, we started seeing more and more Muslim temples, more and more Muslim people. It was really interesting because we've never seen this before, ever, really.
We saw a lot of Muslim temples in Indonesia.
Yeah, but certainly not in China, so it was really cool. And the temples are gorgeous. Except for the one that said no women allowed, which kind of pissed me off a little bit.
The temple was spectacular. That was the Green Onion Temple, my favorite one.
Yeah, of course it was your favorite because I couldn't go in.
And they had a big monument to the Chinese out in front, had their nice Chinese flag flying in front of it.
Yeah.
I'm sure no Muslim temple anywhere else in the world has the country flag at it. Only China.
Yeah.
On the descent down from the ridge up there, we had a flat tire. The first one in a long time. I think it had been since Thailand, actually, that we had a flat tire, and it was off it went. So I took the tire off, went to go look at it, and lo and behold, I found why our brakes had been pulsing for a while. The rim was getting wider, and when I took the rim strip off, I discovered the rim was cracked in half lengthwise, like straight down the rim bed. It was cracked in half in two different spots, and then we managed to ride it a few kilometers into town after I fixed it. When I fixed it in Lanzhou and inspected the rim afterwards, there was actually 3 or 4 cracks, so it was close to coming fully apart. That rim was done. The Velocity Arrowhead is not acceptable for a tandem tour.
Yeah, we were just lucky that we made it most of the way down that descent before our tube exploded, so that we could just limp it into town, because otherwise we would have been stuck and had to hitch a ride. But because of that, we were supposed to ride into Lanzhou the next day, but there was another 500-meter climb we had to go over.
Yeah, so we just took
to get
the bus.
there. Yeah, so we were like, we don't trust this rim. We're just gonna hop on a bus.
But the good part is I had already arranged to get all the parts shipped to Lanzhou.
Yeah.
With Steve.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we already knew that our rim was failing, so thankfully our good friend Steven Seen, who had met us in Chengdu, saved our butts again by ordering us a new rim and other new bike parts to a bike shop in Lanzhou. So it all worked out. Waiting at the bus stop in Tangwang was so funny. The second we pulled up with our bus, so the bus stop is just at an intersection on the corner, and you just wave down the bus as it drives by. But as soon as we pulled up with our super strange looking tandem bike with us two strange looking white people, there was this giant crowd of people that formed around us. It was so funny.
They're so nice because they were so not Chinese.
Yeah, there were all these Muslim guys, and they were so funny. They were just taking videos and pictures of us and our bike and just standing around looking at us. It was like we had our own little entourage just waiting for the bus.
Their town doesn't see much.
No, their town
not much
definitely.
comes through there.
Yeah, they probably have never seen a foreigner before in their life, so it was really cute.
就让大家看看谁的错。让大家知道我也